So for this week's Trades of the Week on the 19th of May 2014, we're going to take a look first of all at sterling US dollar. Now, trades on the daily charts are actually quite sparse at the moment. We're getting loads and loads on the 4-hour charts. Very heavy trade numbers there. Dailies just a little bit quieter. So we are looking at stocks in a lot more detail at the moment to try and get some of those trades. But for this week, just going to look at a couple of indices and the currency pair here. So the one trade that was signaled last week, sterling US dollar, great trade and a really nice sell there from 168.23 back from the 13th of May, and certainly lucky for trend signal users as we went short 168.23, as I say, looking for a 60-point gain, and the market moving about just shy of 100 points there. So looking for 60 points on the dailies there, picking up a great profit within certainly one day, and two even if you had the worst spread going. So really nice profit on that trade. Where we are at the moment here on Monday is a little bit of a pullback happening on FTSE right now, and it may well be that we'll get confirmation of a trade tonight. So we've got to hold our horses, wait for 4:30. We've got another couple of hours for that. 68.19 currently trading. We'll see. So what am I talking about? 68.31 currently trading. So we'll see where we come out tonight. But it may well be we'll get a short selling opportunity. And again, if you just want that quick in and out trade, hopefully from tonight we'll see a good 60 points as well over the next week or three on the FTSE there. Time will tell. But of course, what's interesting, what I want to talk a little bit more about at the moment is the difference between those indices at the moment. We're having a lot of markets moving at different cycles, and it's always tempting to think of indices as moving the same way all the time. They're always either going up or all going down and so on. But they always can be a little bit different. And what I want to show you first of all is just looking at right now at a potential short here on FTSE. Let's look at a few other markets that have been kicking around giving trades recently. The Australian index was a trade that we got a trade on back from the 1st of May. We just hit target on that today. So really nice move. It's not necessarily one of the major markets we trade, but it's curious that we've had a trade on this one about 2.5 or 3 weeks ago, best part of, and a nice profit on that trade there, achieving that target zone today. Moving through also, looking at some of those other markets, again showing you the disparity between some of these indices at the moment. Moving through, first of all, to looking at another trade giving us a short was, believe it or not, the Hang Seng, again 2 weeks prior to that. So about a month ago, let me just refresh the chart there, getting that short on the Hang Seng, and a great shorting opportunity it was back from the 16th of April. Very different to the FTSE chart and very different to Australian index again. But what about a buy side? Well, if I look at the NASDAQ, then you can see pretty much the same day as that short on the Hang Seng, we were getting buying opportunities on the NASDAQ. All of those trades giving us profits, and yet very, very different cycles, even on them all being the index markets. It's curious to think markets in the same asset class, you would have thought they'd be doing the same thing. They're not, but the good news is we're still picking up some fantastic profitable opportunities on each of those different markets. So great trades, great winners, and a really nice, again, a few more points made in May, keeping the tally nicely ticking over. Have a good week, everybody, and back for more videos next week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.